everyone, welcome back to 7 Days channel. Sorry for my voice, I'm a little bit sick. Today we're gonna do an unboxing by Furla. Okay, so first of all, I love this one. And this is a case for the receipt. So luxurious. I would like to show you first the small item that they gave me with the dust bag, and it is a card holder. It is amazing with the owls. It's just for a bunch of cards, it's just one slot, and at the back it says Furla as well. At the beginning, because I was there checking for bags for maybe 20 minutes, the girl told me, if you buy two, I'm gonna give you this one. But then she realized that I really didn't have the money to get two, and so she gave this one for free. I'm so happy. And now, in the proper bag. Oh my god, I'm so excited. There are so many days that I wanna see it. First of all, the dust bag is really elegant. Like, it's also really, I wouldn't say silky, but it's not normal cotton. It's really nice, really luxurious. Okay, are you ready? So, I have no words, really, I have no words. I love it. Let's start saying that there were so many like this, but the thing that drawn to this specific one was the chain. Like, look at this. It's so precious. It's really so nice. I don't even know from where to start, really. Let me check something. Yes, of course, it's coming with all the details. Let me see if they say something interesting. The bag is extremely soft, like really extremely soft. And that's why, because it says that thank you for purchase from Furla. You're welcome. The trimmings of your item are made of calf leather and finished with a special shaving process which gives the characteristic velour effect. Okay, it's written that you shouldn't wear like light items, and because with the friction, many times of friction, maybe something like the color can stain your clothes. Of course, because this is leather, it shouldn't come in contact with the rain. Oh my god, so nice. So let's see, how do you open it? It's just one that is moving, okay? I've chosen this one that can't be used like a crossbody, but because I think that I'm gonna use it just during the evening or just during the day, but for high quality time, I wouldn't use it as a crossbody. It's inspired by the Venetian attitude, let's say. It has another slot with a magnet where you can place some papers or something, just maybe also the phone. No, I don't have the phone here. Inside, let me show you. It is like this. So here, pocket for cards or whatever. And here is another slot. Inside it's a really nice pink. Here it's the softest leather that you have ever touched. And something else, if you don't like the belt, you can also remove it. It's really, really easy. You just push it outside, okay? And I don't know if you can see it. You made this one pass inside the hole and is out. So you can also remove this. You can use it as a simple clutch, or you can buy something else from Furla and you can put it, like, for example, if you prefer to use a crossbody, you can do it. Ah! I forgot to tell you the most important thing. 185. Can you believe it? 185 euros. Like, I was asking if it was just for the belt, because sometimes Furla's belts are extremely expensive. So when the shop assistant told me that it's 185, I said, I'm gonna get it. It's like the perfect size because it's perfect for the morning if you want, but it's perfect for the evening as well. You can place like your wallet, your phone, your keys, and also something else if you want. Maybe when I'm gonna use it, I can do also what's in my bag style. Okay, let's say something else. I was a little bit concerned about the color because the pink is not like my favorite color, let's say. But I think that is gonna work pretty well because it's a statement piece. Because now there are some sales, so I really suggest you to check out the sales, because maybe you can buy something like this on sale. On sale, sorry. But many prints, like there was a flamingo one that was unbelievable. There was also one with the pineapple prints that maybe was my favorite, but then I realized that this one can be used during the winter as well, because it's a bright color, but the peacocks are so elegant that I think that can be used during the winter as well. Another really nice print was one with the zebra. The thing that made me choose this one is because the zebra had a crossbody only leather belt, and I prefer much more this one. Normally I don't like bags, but for some reasons I love Furla bags. I have also another one with prints of Wizard of Oz. I have had this for something like 10 years, maybe more, and it didn't have a single scratch. And every time I'm wearing this, everyone is telling me how beautiful is this bag. So I'm really kind of happy that Furla is becoming so popular all over the world, because I can find Furla also in Greece, for example. But the thing is that the prices are getting so much high, and when I was like a teenager, let's say, it was much easy to get a Furla bag. I remember I bought one also for my cousin, and I had this one with the Wizard of Oz. They have always amazing ideas, like about the prints, about the ideas in general. I really don't know what else to say, because I think that the bag is speaking itself. So I really hope that you liked the video. Tell me if you like this kind of unboxing video. If you want to support the 7 Days channel, please push the like button and subscribe. That's it for today, and see you soon. Bye bye. Oh my legs.